This is Evergreen Apartments out here in Kiyovu. It's among the best apartment development projects out here in the city, and it's composed of 24 quality apartments, spacious apartments, but it's still under construction. And in this video, I'll be showing you the details of what they've done so far and what they're trying to achieve. Let's get started. Among the value proposition for Evergreen is the neighborhood that it's located in. This neighborhood of Kiyovu is among the best in the city. Why? It's quite in the center. Kigali is built around Kiyovu because if you draw a radius from where I'm standing of just 1 kilometer, you'll find Marriott hotels, you'll find a normal hotel, you'll find the city center where you find Kigali City Tower and all the commercial buildings, all the headquarters of banks. You are literally in the center, and Kiyovu as a whole, if you've seen the background of where I am, it's a very green area, plenty of trees, plenty of, everything is done. That is infrastructure, whatever you need, it's here. And that's why Evergreen really has that as a good, perfect value proposition, because staying into this building gives you quality living. And that's why I think it's worth your investment. So let's see what it has to offer. Though this building is still under construction, the outside of the building will be clad with these open balconies, these nice colors, and as well, you can see that even in real life, this place has a lot of trees. So these trees will be maintained and even more added so that it matches the name Evergreen. Let me tell you a little bit about the way this apartment complex is structured. We have a total of 6 floors, and each floor has 4 units. Each unit has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and the last floor has 4 penthouses that are exclusive with amazing views. And of course, we have a rooftop. The lowest price you can get for an apartment in this complex is $275,000. That is about $120 per square foot. But you get a lot of space within each apartment because the smallest apartment we have has 237 square meters. The views are amazing, the environment is amazing, the experience you have from living into Evergreen is unbelievable and like none other. I'm here to show you all the details. Let's start. And as we enter, safety first, we see the quality of work being done over here. Of course, it's loud, it's a construction site, but man, oh man, look at this expanse. This is open, it brings together fresh air, it cools this whole building so that when you're inside, the fresh breeze keeps on coming on whatever floor you are in. This whole space will contribute to the parking. And this is the parking space. This space is elegant. It's worth your car because some of the spots are covered, some are open, but overall, this is what it's planned to look like. And this is what it's looking at 60% completion. We will have a 30-car parking spot in here. So each unit will have 1 parking space plus a few for guests. Oh, look at that. That's a garbage chute. So if you are on the 4th floor, 2nd floor, or a 3rd floor, your garbage can just be sent out here and be collected at a single place. That's a plus. One thing that you realize is that these apartments have like the biggest corridors or lobbies in any other apartment building, because from that corner to that corner, you have more than 3.5 meters. So you have a really spacious and inviting corridor to each other's apartments. And I'm here to show you what one of the units look like, because on each floor we have 3 bedroom units. So I can't take you on all of them. It will be boring, but I'm gonna show you one and it will give you the full story. Entering into your unit, you get to see that this space comes to life. You have a spacious unit, tons of natural light and tons of artificial light. The interior design comes together, and you can see in this reference image that we are really going for something nice. And this is what the living room looks like. Entrance is here. It feels smooth. It feels amazing. The tile choices is unbelievable. The ceilings are high enough, and you can see the wiring is already in place. And if we turn the camera around, you have all this opening that shows you the view, that gives you access to this lovely balcony for the living room, but overall complements this space in a very, very beautiful way. And from the living room, we now enter this dining area. Again, you get to see how this space comes to life, as our design over here provides for a 6-seater that is comfortable, nice lighting on top. And this is what this space currently feels like. The building, again, it's at 60% completion. You can see the tiles, you can see the light, everything is coming together. And next, and from the dining area, we have this kitchen. This piece is marvelous and it's pretty modern. And this as well is the progress on the kitchen. You can see everything is already labeled. You have all this space. You will have your island over here. You have the cabinet space. You know, they already have everything really spaced out. You have an open, a sink, a dishwasher. You really have everything. You again have like an oven, the fridge. I love when people are detailed like this, because that means they won't have any mistake, and they have everything allocated for. This will give you the quality of the kitchen you would expect in a unit like that. And these corridors takes us to the bedroom. Remember, this unit has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. So let me show you what the bedrooms look like. Entering into your room, this is what it is expected. The quality is there, the space is there. You have high ceilings, a big spacious bedroom that fits a king-size bed. You have space for your closet allocated for, tons of natural light, and just a great space to live in. On one of you can see everything is allocated for the bedside lights. You have the switch, you have the plugs, all the lighting, about 8 lights into this room is allocated for. You have your side balcony over here. You have the niche for the closet on this side. You have everything. And this is the bathroom as well. And from this room, we're gonna see what the quality master bedroom for a unit like this one looks like. Let's get in. Enter the master bedroom, and of course, you see everything you expect. Quality finishes everywhere, nice floors, high ceilings, good lights, and you see how this room comes to life. Everything you expect. You can see the furniture, how it embraces and complements very well with this space. And look at this space in real life. It's identical. We have these 2 bedside windows, which again increases on already a lot of natural light you have into this room. I mean, look at this. It frames the room perfectly. You have your closet niche on this side. You have provisions for your AC, provisions for all the cabling, the intelligence of the apartment. And if we turn around, we have this grand opening to your balcony. I mean, look at this view. And of course, there's all this construction clutter, but from here, they are doing a man-made lake down there. It's gonna be a park, so you'll have a park down there. You have an amazing view of the city. The convention center is that side. M Hotel is there over here. There is highway down here, which is not that loud, provides access to, I mean, it's a bedroom. You picture perfect over here, not all. And of course, this room is complemented with the classy bathroom. You have a nice floating vanity here with a beautiful mirror. You have a suspended toilet and a walk-in shower, beautiful tiles, beautiful room, beautiful bathroom. And this is what the current status is like. It's a little bit far, but it's only the tiring and installation of devices. We have the double vanity that you saw in the lender here. You have the toilet on this side, and on the far end, we do have the shower space. This is a spacious bathroom for your master bedroom. And in addition to that, we do as well have this space that is just for your closet. So you have all this space for your closet. You have that space for the bathroom, and you have that beautiful bedroom that we just showed you. And that's it with the tour of the master bedroom, reminding you each unit of 3 bedrooms have 237 square meters, so that's plenty of space. You have 3 bedrooms, you have 4 bathrooms, and on top of that, you have this open apartment in a luxury place. We do have more shared areas within these apartments, and that's where we're going next. It's the rooftop. I almost forgot, we also have a lift space, so you don't have to climb the stairs all the way. We have lifts for you, your family, and your guests to make you navigate the building neatly. And this is the space of the rooftop. Imagine this, 1,100 square meters of rooftop. Look at all this space for you to entertain. Because while you stay here, you have the utmost and exclusive priority on this rooftop. This is the space where you treat your guests, and believe me, there is a lot to see from this rooftop. Because from standing over here, you get to see a lot of things. That's RSSB Twin Towers. That's Greenland Apartments. That's Kigali City Tower. Down there, you have City Lights Villas. We just posted a video about it just a few days ago. We have Pension Plaza up there. We have Ubunge Grand Hotel, the headquarters of BPR Bank. We have I&M Bank headquarters. You have the Marriott's up in the bush somewhere. And it's just only in this angle. If we turn on this side, and as well on this side, we still have some more. That's Parkin Hotel by Radisson. That's M Hotel. Down in the distance, you can see Kigali Convention Center, Kigali Heights. You can see the Kigali Arena, or BK Arena as rebranded. On the other side, Amahoro Stadium. You have all this open space down here and a lot of things to see from this rooftop, which gives you really an idea of where you are in the center. And all that is the value you get from investing with Evergreen Apartments. These apartments are quality, they are spacious, they are built like a fortress and built to last. And they are built in a good location that will make sure you get your money really, really fast. What do you get? The smallest apartment we have here has 213 square meters, and the prices start at $275,000. That is about $120 per square foot, because that is a spacious apartment. And believe me, the biggest one we have up to 270 square meters. That's a lot of space for a unit, and you've seen the quality of finishes that you expect to get when you buy with Evergreen Apartment. Get started with us. We have payment plans available starting from 50%, and then you can extrapolate the remainder of the payment up to when this building is completed. We can even give you a flexibility for 1 year, and you will own a piece of Kigali, but the right place in Kigali. Evergreen is open. You can call us on +250 788 44 1844. That same number is on WhatsApp. You can email us at business@quick.rw, where you get to book a tour. We can bring you over for a viewing, and as well discuss which unit you would choose, because I still have a couple of them open. Reminding you that we have up to 24 units in this whole complex. We have 4 penthouses and 20 regular apartments. The 3 penthouses have already been booked. We have 1 remaining, and we have a choice. You can have a choice in the unit down, but then you've seen we have quality in Evergreen, and I can't wait to have you over here.